great opportunity to own a home in the country. Offered with 5 acres, but additional land is available at $4,000 per acre. This home features 3 bedrooms and 2 baths with hardwood floors and rock fireplace. The kitchen features beautiful hardwood cabinets with an island. You can relax on the large rear deck and enjoy nature. Watch deer, turkeys or ducks coming into the pond. A true sportsman's paradise. This home was built with functionality in mind. It has a large garage with a house entrance through the very useful mudroom. Make sure you get all the information on this property by contacting me by phone or email. I will be happy to set up a showing of this great property for you. My cell phone number is 70671715558. Thank you.